Hi everyone, please keep your eyes open for my new TV show, Anna Oliver's Cook Along with your girl. There's going to be delicious dishes, mostly from the Senegambian kitchen. We're going to have interviews with the Senegambian community right here in Sweden about relevant issues facing our generation. So like I said, plenty of food, culture, dancing, fashion, religion of course, and so much more. So stay tuned right here at ATN TV Gambia.